So we all know how Final Destination movies work, yeah. That is not a rhetorical question.
Here's your ticket.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Would you like a photo?
Are they gonna go on the elevator and it's gonna crash?
What I tell you?
This is how things go bad.
Nancy? What's going on?
One second. Sure.
Why would they let him up here if they couldn't? Why would they? What? Why would you let people up if they can't? What?
Ah,
You okay?
Symbolism.
Yeah.
You know why she said that? Because she's not. Because she got cut by the thorn. This entire place is going down. Wait, you're telling me a piece of that chandelier is strong enough to do that? There's no universe nobody's seeing that, bro.
Let's see, how many people just died there?
GG. So how does she survive? That's the question.
She don't.
No, but she's like the one from the Matrix, though. She has the baby.
Exactly. She don't. She dies, but then she snaps back to reality.
Oh yeah, you're right.
That's how all Final Destination works.
Wait, hold on, I forgot. You're actually right.
That is not a rhetorical question.
That is crazy. This child's gonna die.
Howard! Stephanie's here, come in.
It's totally not going to be used for a kill later. So it passes over, and the reason why death is after them is because technically the baby should have never been born.
Yes.
So this means Auntie here should be chilling, though. Yo, I swear, isn't that train? I mean, that train, that like truck. I feel like that's in the first.
It's in the
like
second one.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one with the plane, right?
That's the first one.
Oh, okay. That's. Which is the one with the motor on the monster truck rally?
It's a NASCAR thing,
NASCAR. Okay.
and that's the fourth one.
The what?
Careful, Howard!
There's. I hate these movies, bro. See, you love it for this, and I hate it for. Yeah, brother.
Yeah, I'm okay. All right.
Oh, good.
Ow! Oh! Ow! I'm okay. It's okay. It's all right.
The former things are passed away. Neither shall there be mourning.
This is so. Bro, why is that so funny? That is so messed up. Now we both laughed.
That was mad stupid.
Would you believe this? Like, actually, Jamie, if you were in this context, like, if this is because it's easy, honestly, to say this in hindsight as we watch it.
I mean, honestly, it's easy to say no, but if I was just chilling in the backyard with my family and my dad just stepped on a random piece of glass and a lawnmower just came to life and sat on his face, I would like have an open mind, I think.
Wait, who's next in the timeline? This guy?
Eric, this guy. Here we go.
Definitely here we go.
You trying to kill me?
Eric?
Me and bro's about to get clapped right now. We're about to get hit by a bus.
Maybe.
There's no way, right? I'm kidding.
Because that would be crazy.
Oh, wait, let me see that. Eric, just stay away from the truck.
Oh my God. Uh-oh! So take a hint and leave us alone because death's not coming for our family.
Julia!
What the freak?
Julia!
She shouldn't die here because she wasn't.
My sister's in the back!
Eric isn't Howard's biological son.
Oh, that's why.
Sorry, what are you talking about?
I'm begging you not to traumatize our kids anymore.
It's real this time.
Like, honestly, for a movie's sake, it makes sense to have a character like this. It has to, but it's still stupid. Wait, is that little boy Tony Todd?
Is that little boy Tony Todd?
Damn, I wonder, like, imagine being in his shoes. Like, he's the only one that can't die.
She saved my life
When?
at the Skyview.
So, I hate you, bro.
To work that night.
I said, is that little boy Tony Todd?
Hey, you're doing it. Yeah, you're doing it. Bobby, you're doing it.
This is the only way we can do this.
I know where that's from. I get that.
Don't worry about me. Go save your sister. I'm gonna stay alive as long as.
This movie, bro. This franchise. He's gonna have him drown her so he gets to live, or is this like another premonition? Or maybe it's a flatline, like she dies she drowns, but then somehow she gets saved because of something. Oh, because he was in the lifeguard thing. That's crazy. Like, where did you learn CPR? Remember?
Yo, if that was the dialogue, bro.
Symbolism, foreshadowing. I learned it.
That's the name of the game.
And just like that, their entire family died. But hey, what's the dad gonna say now? Nah, there's no way. This is therapy for years. It turns out it didn't count. The penny, it all comes back, bro. I don't think I feel like the force of that would be strong enough to crush the penny. That's just me. So wait, Death made them think for like months or weeks that they were good?
We do a little bit of trolling.
This is no way to this. Bro, what the freak? Yo, he said, you know what, I'm done trying to be. I'll destroy the whole neighborhood to get you. What is this?
You know you make me wanna kick my heels up and throw my hands up and
Damn, Death was so fed up that he literally said, I'm gonna destroy this game. He said, "There's no cheating this one."
Every other person on the street was just chilling, watching that happen.
It's like the Avengers, bro, are having a battle, bro. What the freak?
What
Who's
the
this
freak is going on?
Bro, that literally took out like 8 houses, bro. We just.
What's the verdict? What's the verdict?
I have no words for the ending. I honestly don't have no words.
Better than Terrifier, worse than Thanksgiving. There you go. That's what I would say.
Better than Terrifier. Yeah.
Okay, I know we have different opinions. Wait, I feel like for you, it's like, damn, bro said it's better than trash. Okay, better than like Halloween 2018.
Okay. I think, come on. We can collectively agree this is the best kill in the entire movie, right? There's no way this is not the best kill in the entire movie. Bro was even part of the Bloodline and got the best kill in the movie.
I kind of like the last one. No, it's a meme though. I like it because it's a meme. Actually, is like a out of context, like without the movie, it wouldn't be a good kill. It's just like, you know, people getting crushed. So yeah, that one is definitely the best.
So you're welcome, Dead Meat. We did your job for you.